I'm going to read you the story Tog the Dog by Colin and Jackie Hawkins. Tog the Dog. Have you heard of Tog the Dog? Funny dog. Yes, that's Tog. Hi, gang. Dog. One day, Tog went out for a jog. Let's jog with Tog. I'm a dog who likes to jog. Jog. He got lost in a fog. Where's Tog? How can I jog in this fog? Fog. He tripped over a cog. Oops, look out, Tog. Oh no, over I go. Cog. Fell into a bog. Poor Tog, he's in the bog. Splut. Bog. And frightened a frog. Hello, frog. A bog monster. No, that's Tog, the bog dog. Frog. Along came a fat hog. Hello, Tog. Nice hog. Dirty dog. Out for a jog, hog. Hog. Who picked up a log. Hang on, Tog. A hog with a log will save the dog. Okay, hog. Log. And pulled out of the bog the dog called Tog. Now, Tog, you're out of the bog. Yes, thank you, hog. A hog and a dog on a log at the end of a jog. Tog